Hi folks, my name is Nick Palavanian. I'm the designer of the Kabobmaster barbecue grill. This is the Kabobmaster barbecue grill, the 31-inch. This is the first of 4 grills. This is the smallest one, and it holds 10 skewers, and it's intended for residential use, as opposed to the other 3 models that we have, the 36, 48, and 60-inch, which are intended for restaurant use or commercial use. The Kabobmaster usually ships just like this in a styrofoam box. It's a custom box made for the Kabobmaster, and it has these 2 bars, which are stainless steel bars. This is the only part of the installation that requires 2 screws to assemble the entire Kabobmaster. These are the 2 screws. You would just take them out. And they're ready for installation. This is 1 skewer. You'll usually ship with 10 skewers, just like this, but for our demonstration today, we've used only 2. So this is our Kabobmaster, and I'm about to assemble it. As you will notice, it's a very easy installation. These 2 bars, one goes here on one side, just screw it on all the way down. And then this is the other one. Once these 2 stainless steel tubings are installed, you can install the front plate, which I'm using the 2 screws that originally came with it. And you want to make sure that the screws are lined up with the 2 holes up here. For the installation, you'll need a medium-sized Phillips screwdriver and a plier. Those are the only 2 tools that are necessary. So we screw one side in on one end, the other screw goes on this side. You can come around here to photograph this other screw going in. Okay, so once both screws are in, it's ready to be put on the kebab, on the grill. And I'll actually do it this way. Just slide it down like this. Please get close. Once the grill is put into the charcoal box, there's little clips here, and these clips are actually springs, and you can actually move them along the length of the stainless steel piping. And what you want to do is make sure that this is about, that the housing, the box with the mechanism, is about 1 inch away. And then just push the clip all the way under the back and just fold it up. And the reason we're doing this is because the Kabobmaster, the back of the Kabobmaster is actually heavier than the front because of the motor, so we don't want it to tip over. And that's one of the reasons why we have these 4 clips. And the other purpose of the clips, right here, the other purpose of the clips is to adjust it to each individual barbecue grill, because we know that everybody has a different grill. So you may not necessarily be using the Kabobmaster charcoal grill. Nonetheless, it would still, you could still use these springs to line everything up. Now, as you might have noticed here, I brought the spring to under the little flap, and I brought it right to the wall. All 4 are right against the wall, and I folded it under these flaps here, the springs, so that now the Kabobmaster is secure and it will not fall out. Once that's done, we have our skewers, and we have little clips along the skewers. And what you want to do is just insert the tip of the skewer into the skewer holder, and on this end, let me use this one here actually. On this end here, you want to just align the clip right to the plate, but not actually touching the plate, actually just about a millimeter away. And using a simple Allen wrench, just tighten the clip, and now it's solid, it's firm, it's not going to move. And that's one. We're going to do this for all 10 skewers. Here's another one, and here's the Allen wrench. And again, you just tighten the little set screw to where we want it, which is about a millimeter in. And the Kabobmaster is ready for use. And again, you want to make sure that this is an inch away from the charcoal box, and this part is also an inch away. As you can see, this is more than an inch. The Kabobmaster will adjust up to 20 inches, so it'll accommodate up to 20 inches from front to back, and it is 31 inches from left to right. Now your grill might be a little bit less or a little bit more, depending on how big your grill is. That's how many skewers that you'll be able to use on your grill. And it's ready for use. At this point we would just plug it in and we're ready to barbecue our shish kebabs. And this is our lesson for the day for the Kabobmaster barbecue grill. Thank you.